Hello guys, today I'm going to open 9 wildfire cases. So here we go. First one. Ooh, come on. Oh, I want that. No, okay. Fuck. I already have one of these. That's not good. And go. I really want one of those bowie knives. Oh, okay. I already have one of these, so what condition? Okay. Picture new. Oh, okay, okay. I don't have one of these, and yeah, here we go. Yeah, so for fuck's sake, I just hate these cattle. I think I have, yeah, 3 of them. Another one. I really want it. Come on, come on. Oh, okay. Is this the one? Come on, come on. Oh, 5-7. That's okay. I think it's field tested. Yeah. How much is worth it? Okay, well, it's not really much. Come on. Oh, static. That's good. It looks nice. Field tested. 2 back. Come on. I just want to get one thing that's good. Oh my god, yeah, yeah! Oh my god, yeah! Fuck yeah, man! Fuck guys, yeah! Oh my god! Oh, it look good. It look good. Come on, come on. Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh my god. I thought it was maybe minimal wear or something. Let's see how much it's worth it. Okay, I can't find it right now. Oh, it's okay. That's good. I just call it, guys. Nice. Oh. Nah, it had been really nice if I had that one too. But yeah, it was worth it, this case opening. I'll just see what's. Oh, okay, that was not much more if it was factory new. Okay, yeah, okay, it was, well, minimal wise, not too much more. But okay, bye bye guys, and thanks for watching.